There are several requirements for building a website, including 1. Domain. 2. Web hosting. 3. A content management system, CMS. 4. A design or template. How to do domain hosting and web hosting. Video link is in description. Go to Apps Installer and select to WordPress.
Follow the simple installation steps, and installation will get completed. Once WordPress successfully installed, you will find WordPress admin dashboard login link. Click on it. WordPress dashboard. Login username and password. You'll find under MySQL Management section as shown. Congratulations! You successfully logged in. WordPress dashboard.